What's up, everyone, and how is everyone doing out there? I tell you what, rain. This is probably the worst rainy season I've experienced here in the Philippines, down here in General Luna. It's like you can't get too far from your place because you can get poured on real quick. And I just, about a week or two ago, I got sick. You know, I blamed it on the rain. But anyways, so I figured we'll just do a little walk. Do a little walk and talk. This is General Luna Dapa Road. Dapa's down that way. Of course, this is General Luna. Here's another thing. You come down here and you rent one of these bikes with the surfboard hooks on them. You got to be very careful because that's sticking out. And when you're riding a scooter, you got a lot for that room. To me, it gets the job done for what you need for it to be done. But you can see it's all homemade, slapped on there, taped on there. It'll take you out real quick if you turn a corner and you forget it's there. But like I said, we're doing a Philly walk and talk. That's what we're going to do. Nipa, for Nipa Roofing right there. I mean, people here on vacation, rain's not going to stop them. But yeah, matter of fact, last week, heck, it's been a week since Hannah went back already. Like, I wasn't feeling well, and I didn't even go to the airport to say bon voyage to Hannah Grace. These trikes here, these go to Dapa. You guys go to Dapa, right? These are all, when you get, these trikes go to Dapa? Or these trikes? So when, these trikes do. So when you have a full amount of people on there, then you go to Dapa. Magkano per person? 30 pesos per person. That's a pretty good deal. 30 pesos. This will take you into Dapa. Luda's taking these already. Matter of fact, I think she rode it with the girls. 2, 4, like 6. 30 pesos per person. You can't beat that. Dapa's right down the road. I'm just walking, my friend. I mean, the other trikes will take you, but you're going to pay a little extra for that. Those are designed straight for Dapa. This road here, that is also tourism road. That goes up and loops around and takes you up by the AFAM bridge. Just, like I said, I am just going to walk and talk. I shoot across the road here. Show you what's going on. Little counterette is here. Grab some food. You can eat here cheap. You know, you don't always have to go out to the big fancy restaurants and the big resort restaurants. There are little places to eat here, little sorry stores. What the police are here, what they're doing. General Luna. Up here is BDO. Oh, they're over here at the money place. Hello. Hello. All right.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. BDO here. This is a hot spot for ATM withdrawal. Saturdays, so the bank is closed, but you can come here and the line will be stretched out. This is where a lot of the tourists grab their money from. There's also an ATM machine right there, right by the barber shop. That one always works. They're always going to charge you a little bit to use, the ATM. This is normal. That butcher meat shop there, good place. We get some of our meats there. Pod store. Pod store is a vape store. Hello. What else is down here? Clinic, pharmacy, laboratory, STD treatment. vaccinations, hangover cure, immune drip for IV therapy, laboratory, STD screening. Oh, okay. That's what it says on their little door. Souvenir shop here on the left. Get your Siargao t-shirts, 99 pesos. Chanilas for sale. Realty, Pacific Blue Realty, buy, sell, and lease. I mean, I ride down this road, but a lot of times I just, you got to pay attention to the road. Attention to what's going on the road. So when you walk it, there's another clinic. Clinic reopens January 16th, 2025. Here's your markets over here on the right. Well, let me shoot across. Shoot across here. Tell you what, gold right now. I'll tell you what is gold right now in the Philippines? Tomatoes. Tomatoes are gold. Let me ask how much per kilo, but I know they're very expensive right now. I'll ask how much. I don't see any here. Don't see any. Not in that little store, unless I'm not looking. Yep, tomatoes, my friend. Tomatoes? Magkano per kilo?
Ilang kilo?
117. 117. Are they high? Tomatoes are high? Expensive? 117. I don't know. Look what's telling me they're more than that. I don't know. Let me get down here to the other one. 117 per kilo. I thought Look was telling me they're 200-300 per kilo. I forget what she told me. Yeah. Weather-wise, nice. Upper 80s, low humidity, nice little breeze. Here's another fruit stand here, vegetable stand here. Hey, magkano per kilo of tomatoes? Tomatoes, magkano per kilo? 7. What are per kilo for tomatoes?
200 per kilo.
How much? 70?
200.
200 per kilo.
Yeah.
They're expensive, right? That's kind of high. Why?
I don't know.
Is there gold? Is there some gold in those tomatoes? Yeah. Yeah, I knew they were a little high. All right, thank you. 200 per kilo. Tomato gold. 200. There it is. According to her, 200. Liampo 270. They always have a little stand set up right here selling Liampo manok. Then we're getting down here to the main drag, Tourism Road. Like I said, I just showing you general Luna. That's all I'm showing you. Nice NMAX right there. Keep going straight up here. It'll take you down to the ocean, to the port. We're doing the banana Q. Banana Q, huh?
Turon.
Yeah.
Banana turon.
I've had them before. They're very good. Very good, yeah. Thank you. We just started that, so. you want to go get them right now because that oil is fresh. It's a little like Tag mini market. Tag grocery store is the bigger grocery store here in General Luna that we go to. That's their little mini grocery store. Up that way, you know, your touristy area. Nice big church right there. I'm going to stroll down this way here a little bit. The sun is out. There's a pharmacy down here that we always go to. There's people who's, oh no, right here. Siargao Pharmacy. Go there and pick up some, you know, stuff if you need it for like a headache, a stomach ache. They always seem to have it. Tourist vans. Flooding wise, there are areas here where it does get, where the water does come up, but for the most part, it's not bad. It's not bad. Excuse me. There's also hotels down through here that people stay at. Big truck in the middle of the road. Get around him without getting run over. Wine and liquor places here if you want some wine, want some liquor. Wait, let me go over here quick. Let me go over here. That's the thing. One of the thing about walking around and stuff like that, you can see what's inside some of these stores. I stopped in here. This store right here, I think it's a wine place and stuff, but they have they had this over here in the refrigerator, right? And you don't see much of this. Let me open this one more time. Blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, you don't see that much here. I don't know where they got it from. It says made in China, but they had to have gotten it somewhere. Because it kind of looks like it came from like an S&R or something like that. Some of these stores will bring in products of S&R. Oh, look at that coconut crispy roll with chocolate. You gotta stop and just check these little these little places out. Corona, wines, liquors. But I've driven by this many, many times. Finally, I'm here, and I figured I'd stop and look. They got lunch meats here. Tons of lunch meats here. Price-wise, I couldn't even tell you. They got some frozen pizza, bacon and ham, pepperoni. Yeah. Yeah. It's good to know these things. Construction. There is so much construction going on here in General Luna. So much construction. I guess it's growing, right? Growth. The growth of General Luna. Motorbike repair shop. This place here, Backside Burger. I've had a burger from here. Not bad at all. In the top, I would put it in the top burgers for sure. Yeah, let me show you here. Backside Burger. I'd put it in the top. 1, 2, top 4. Top 4 right there. Backside Burgers. Top 4 burgers here on Siargao Island, General Luna. And they got a little gift shop in there. Homestays. Here's another homestay. There's a ton of these homestays in in General Luna here. RGJA's Homestay. There's their little gift shop. I even think they have room rentals up top. It's like they got everything. It's just, things are just tucked in. Okay, that's a homestay back in there. I can see the rooms back in there. There's some chicken. That looks good. And then down here on the right is Tag Grocery Store. Lots of places you can stop, ask about tour packages, different areas, different island hopping, and different, you know what I'm saying, land tour, island tours and things. Food lab, snack shop. Ooh, I see Lay's potato chips over there. Yep, Cheetos. Anyways, I'm gonna end this walk here. There's Tag Grocery Store. That's the big grocery store that a lot of people go to. Or you can run over to Dapa there and go to the Pure Gold over there. Anyways, I've seen this here down here. I'm gonna give this a try. The other day, look, now we're at Tag Grocery Store here. And right across the street is Clay Pot Rice, Kung Food. K-U-N-G, food. This is a new place here. Kung Food. Delicious Chinese food. Clay Pot Rice. So, alright guys, there it is. There is my walk around General Luna. This is just a small area. I said rain, 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 rain. What are you going to do? I don't want to get sick again, but I just want to get out, do a walk. You know, I did so much walking, so many walking videos, and go back to the roots and do a walking video down here in General Luna. So, all right, guys. We shall talk to you later.